Oh, really?
Corrugated
See what we can find. Tin everywhere.
Tin, cutouts.
It's like a wall.
And there's a wall running along there.
I reckon that'll meet up with it and we can walk back around.
Yeah. Well, that's the road we're looking for. Right, g'day everyone, Matt from Panda Explores here. Today we are back out at our favourite little mine that we found a few weeks ago. We're doing a bit more exploration of it because a few people let us know that there's a few extra mines out here, plus there's also some mines that I'd seen last time we were here, and I actually didn't get a chance to film because it was getting late. But we're out here again with Scotty from Muitube and Al. They've just wandered off in a different direction at the moment. I was just checking a track. So join me and join us as we explore the mines that are in the area. And we might even have a look back at that other mine that we went in last time. I've got better lighting this time, so it's good. So join me.
We have an old car right here.
As if he came at you.
Oh,
So, I think we've cut it. Yeah, this is that road that leads back up the mountain. So if we follow that down, it will join up where we were meant to be.
yeah.
At the moment, it's just a lot of just trying to check roads and stuff, just in case you miss a gem. But it is just dense bush out here at the moment. Beautiful day. Something's been spotted. Ah, it's a trap. But there is something behind it. Might be something. What the hell's the trap for?
I don't know. Something to stick its head into.
Ah. I'm going to inspect this. It's like a hole. It's like an actual hole.
What?
A bolt.
No.
Big old bolt. It's huge.
There's probably a river running through here.
Yeah. It's a bolt. There's like this big mound. There's nothing to show for it. So most of the mines in this area are like mostly up on the hill, but what we're trying to look at the moment is we're trying to work our way up from the top bottom of the mountain in the gullies here, because this is where they would have found gold initially, in the creek. So we'll keep going. We're going to keep going.
Isn't there? We spotted a car.
There's a car right there.
Right about there. I'm gonna get my zoom lens on.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Look at that. Now see if we can get to it. It looks to be like a early, like, or late 60s or early 70s Falcon maybe, or it's like a like the same sort of time Holden. That's pretty epic. So,
No, I can't say anything.
I was returning back from the car. Still, it's probably been sitting there for 40 years. Be an insurance job for sure.
Probably,
They always are.
probably hasn't been touched in bloody yonks.
I mean, is that the old tin ones where they had the punch, the hole punch in it?
Yeah, that's sick. Dude.
Jeez.
That's like 70s.
Probably the guy who stole the car. Or he rolled it from the pub, yeah.
Go for it.
Oh yeah, they only just re-released it. Hey!
Ouchie, mama. You right there, mate? Give it a hand.
Oh boy. Look at the joint on that. The tin.
Let's have a look.
Man, they only just re-released those.
That's sick, huh? So Al found this down here. That is
amazing.
That's 60s, 70s.
Yeah, it'd have to be.
Carlton
Definitely,
Drafts
mate.
can.
Yeah, early 70s maybe.
Look at that.
It's probably, yeah, they're probably valued. Right, this has been a good time at the moment. We just cannot find. We can just not find any mines. We're having no luck. Like there's that tailings pile there, but it doesn't lead to anything. So thinking maybe these paths that lead up the hill might give us something else, but I've seen a mining claim sign down here, so we might be onto something. So, well, wish us luck. That is very new. Wow. They're still even looking now. 2025, far out. Right. Might save going up that hill another day, but apparently there is a bridge up here, which one of the Instagram guys saw. It's amazing. It's just a random bridge. Oh my god, it's a full-blown mine. Look at that. That's incredible. There was definitely, I feel like there's something definitely up there.
Wow. This is looking through the fence. With the railing.
There's a path there.
Go straight out. There's a camera up here that says live surveillance. And a sign over here says do not enter. Do not enter.
Oh, I can see the mine.
But you can actually head straight through.
That's awesome.
That arch.
See where they're dropping all the tailings off?
You can see.
Wow. That's really cool. I'm going to see if I can get a shot in for you. This is still an active mine site. So, until 2025. So, we might be waiting a while before we can have a look. This is awesome. Just, I mean, this was all mined like 100 years ago, and it's still.
There's a door on it there.
Yeah, but it's just amazing that, like, after how many, like, hundreds of years.
There's that one.
Yeah. We found a shaft. Oh, there's a stubby in there. Wait, I'll see if I can get. I'll take the light off so I can have a better look. It gets down there. Wish I had my Man, this one's way taller than the other one. Way taller. But if you could slide in, you could probably get in fine.
Yeah.
Because once it opens up the second you get in here. I'll get out of your way. Oh, but look how big the hole is. Like, that's just tiny. Someone like me ain't getting through there.
Are you zooming right into my face?
Nearly.
Imagine if I stacked just there.
Then I'd be all over it. There's a lot of paths. It might be, what do they call them? Stope. Imagine if they triggered it as well. So everyone's like, stop fucking with it. I think this is a stope. You know, where they cut from the roof of the mine up to the surface. Oh, just gotta have a look. Ooh-wee.
Oh wow.
Oh shit, that goes far.
Holy crap.
Oh boy. Yeah, this is a stope. Okay. Alright, so basically what we're looking at right now is a stope. This is the first one I've actually seen since starting the channels about mines. So basically what they do is they cut from the surface down. There we go. Someone else tripped the alarm. So basically Yeah, a stope is when they cut from the surface down into the actual mine shaft. I think that's at least what it means. Usually they'll keep digging up, getting as much of the, as much as the good rock out of the mine, and sometimes it pops through and ends up.
That is so deep.
It's really deep. So let's check it out some more. I can't. They've set it off twice. Oh mate, if you push me right now, I'll fucking.
No way. I'm too scared.
I can't even see. Oh god, Al. Why you always do this, man? These are quality. Just keeps going and going and going. It's pretty epic. You can see on the other side there, it looks like there's another piece. So I think Al's going to check it out right now.
Oh, you can probably walk.
No, thank you.
No.
No, thanks. I'll pass. Thank you. I wonder if it goes any further. This is getting pretty epic now. As we've made our way, pardon, so I ducked the tree. So as we've made our way to back up the mountain, we're starting to see a lot more mines. So basically they're trying to find the source of the gold for the creek. And so we're seeing a lot of those mines now. So as you saw down the hill before, that mine's a pretty newish one. So they had a license for 9 years. So it ends in 2025. So they probably started that in 2014. So they've been going for a few years. This one's probably could be 100 years old, who knows. So this is pretty epic. Alright, thank you all so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed these videos. Remember to check out Scotty on YouTube. He's nearly at 1,000. Thank you to Al as well for setting off the alarm and going looking at that sweet car. So thank you all so much for watching again. Check out Instagram _Panda Explores for all your goodies, videos and updates and shit. Until next time, guys, this has been Matt from Panda Explores, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Fuck, I hate doing your intros all around. How'd you do that?
I don't know. Where have you been?
That's weird. Right guys, so that's it for today. We're just chilling up at the top of the mountain now. Thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you all enjoyed seeing all these other mines that were around there. Fuck, I'm doing this again. Right, so that's all. Fuck!